You mad? Oh! Jesus! What is wrong with me?
Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long.
Ready? Oh my god. You mad dog, Nicole. Mad dog. What are we on? Ah, 0. Lovely, lovely. Today I've decided to go motocross. I haven't been motocross for, oh my god, I don't know, a couple of months maybe. When I dislocated my shoulder, she said not to do motocross because of the jump. She was like, oh, the impact of the jumps could like send it out again, so give that a little bit of a rest. And before that, I just got back into enduro and was loving enduro, so haven't done it for a while. It's cold, it's a long way to go somewhere. The race that I was going to do with somebody got cancelled. There was another race on that I might have gone and watched that got cancelled. There's a few on. I'm late. Normally I like to get there for first session so that I can leave earlier. I've not managed to do that. It's now 20 past 9, so I won't get there till like 10:30. It's only about an hour away. Late. But oh well, it's fine. We're gonna have a good day. So I'm just going on my own today, there's just me. Little loner. Lonely. I miss this lonely. I'm nobody. No, do I have that full? Why can't I choose the song? Come on. In my shoes, girl on my shoulder, heart full of blues, I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt. Guess what, guys? I just did a whole load of filming, talking to you. Wasn't on. Wasn't flipping up. Whoa! Oh my god, the potholes here. I was saying how hard it is to film on your own for a vlog. This is what I've just been saying about 10 minutes ago. For about 10 minutes. But yeah, it's so hard to film a vlog on your own because you ain't got someone following you around and like just getting them moments that are funny and stuff. You just have to do it like this. So I'm sorry they're not top notch at the minute, but my vlogs will be getting there. I'm gonna do some more with Tanya, who's a videographer. She does it all the time anyway, so she's gonna just come with me and do loads more filming, so hopefully it'll get better and I'll press record. Oh, Jesus, look at it. Oh my god, it is so busy. I don't know what I want to do about this. Careful. I don't think I've ever been and it's been this busy. And apparently I was supposed to book on, so I was talking to a guy next to me, apparently I'm supposed to book on. Again, I haven't booked on. What is wrong with me? Apparently all these tracks you now need to book on for, and I obviously don't do this. I didn't even know you had to. Am I just getting old and don't realise you have to book onto these things anymore? But yeah, it's so busy and I've managed to squeeze myself in. So we're in and my group's out now. I told you I was late and my group's out now, so now I've got to wait for like an hour until I can go out, but oh well. At least I can chill and get ready. Get on, Ethel. What's going on up? I did just get my bike out and turned the camera on. I put it on the tripod and everything, and it was just way too close. This tripod, you can't flip the screen down, so I haven't got a clue what I'm filming. So yeah, that didn't go to plan, but anyway. I've ordered some new Kex boxers and the sports bra, the women's sports bra, because at the minute I don't have matching. I have the women's sets and they're sick, like I wear them to the gym and everything like that, but to come riding in, I like to wear these boxers. So now I bought matching boxers and top. I went to buy the matching boxers for the top that I've got, but looks like everyone's a size small or medium, so small and medium have run out. And don't forget to use my code AnnieCollie52 and you get 10% off. Go, go, go.
I feel like this is going to be a rough ride. Oh, this is brilliant! Why do people rev so hard in motocross? My eardrums have popped before I've got on. But it's everybody else's like second. I feel like I'm going to get really hot really quick. I've got thermals on. I've got a hoodie on. Like 2 seconds like, oh my god. Oh my god. Now I'm so hot. And I've got my shoulder brace on, that never helps apart from. Oh my god. It's like soft in some places, then hard in others.
Well, safe to say the shoulder brace is coming off. I've just done my first session and the first 2 laps were amazing. Like, I thought I feel sick, like this feels so good, I'm absolutely loving it. And then third lap I was like, I can't hold on anymore. Like 3 laps, that's pathetic really, innit? So I reckon the shoulder brace, because it's quite tight up here, it's not helping the flow to my arms, so I can't really hold on. I've got so many layers on, so I'm going to take a layer off, and then I'm either going to loosen my shoulder brace or completely take it off, because I was really enjoying it, and then just, nope, couldn't hold on anymore. Oh God, it might have been longer than 2 laps, but it felt like 2 laps. So yeah, let's change that.
Lucy needs to be in one of my videos. You need to be in one of my videos, you? Yeah. Fucking mad! Like, when you go through riding. Yeah! Hey. Oh, that's well, man, that's well! Yeah! It's probably going to be so rough now. It's only my third, I missed the first one. God, it's cold. Oh my God, look at the look. My idiot. Just like, ooh. Doing a motocross track on an enduro bike, it's pretty good, but it's very soft. Oh my God, like that. Hit my back end and like, whoop. Well, don't like this.
So good. I actually really love the track. My camera's gonna run out of battery. Right, so I'm gonna carry on my phone because my battery's gone flat on my camera. Oh no. I didn't think I was gonna like the track at all because I thought it's gonna be wet. Everywhere's been soaking, tracks have closed because it's so wet. I saw another one yesterday that a girl didn't even ride because it was that wet. It was dead deep, rutty, and I was like, oh, I don't really fancy that. So I thought, oh, I'll come here and hopefully it's better. It was So good. Just bumped into a girl and she came over and her parents came over with her as well, and we were talking about body armor, like what body armor do girls wear. They found it really hard to find kit and body armor and all that sort of stuff. So like, I just wondered, what do you girls wear? I know guys is probably different. You guys, you can find most things that fit. Ethel, what are you doing? Weird dog. Just licking your bed. Weird dog. Yeah, so I just wondered what it was you girls use. Like, let us know in the comments. But this is what I use. I use the Liat 4.5, and I don't dare change because it just fits. See how it's like bent over, like it's rounded here. It fits over the womanly features, and I really want to change it because I feel like I need a new one, but I can't. I don't want to, because anything else I wear just kind of goes flat, doesn't sit right, rides up. So yeah, let us know. Thanks. So all in all, a very successful day. Absolutely loved it. Anyway, I can't ride now for the next 2 weeks. Next week I've got Belfast Arena Cross, and then the weekend after that we've got Aberdeen Arena Cross. And then the weekend after that is Birmingham Arena Cross, and then I'm gonna probably ride on the Sunday after that. So we'll be back out then. We'll be back on it, won't we, Ethel? You're gonna miss me them 2 weekends, are you? Bye guys!
Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Won't you all night long?